everybody, it's Miss Kariann with the EUP ISD Lifespan Program, and today we're going to make the delicious recipe of cucumber and chickpea salad. Let's get started. Okay, now that we've added all of our ingredients, let's mix it up and give it a try. Yum! It's delicious. You should definitely give this a try at home. Thanks, everybody.